Welcome back, treasures. Today, I have a little different kind of video for us. My mom decided that I needed a mystery box, and I decided I must open this mystery box for you. So today, I'm going to be unboxing this witched theme mystery box from Dark Rose Apothecary. If you want to know what's in here, stick around and find out. Let's get started. And there's this nice little card. Thanks for your order, darkroseapothecary.com, and a code to use for discount off your next order. And there's a lighter side, dark and a light side. This paper is so cute. I definitely am going to craft with this at some time. So yeah, I love that. Now I have not looked in here, so this is a surprise for me too. We have all these fun little red things. Let me tuck this paper away so I don't burn it. Okay. There we go. Okay. All this fun little red stuff. I don't know. I like these little accordion guys. A Smarties, because we're smart. Maybe this will make us smarter. Little snacks are nice. And a sucker. Well, if we're going with the candy theme, I don't want to be a sucker. Nope. Suckers are good though. I will eat it and enjoy it. A box of matches. Okay. It's playing with fire. Get dangerous. Not for kids here, guys. Well, we got a candle, so we need the matches to light the candle. Do some candle work, you know. It's important. Red, so Valentine's Day, February. That makes sense. Some bubble gum. Okay, we got our snacks covered. Smarties and sucker and bubble gum. What else do we have in here? What do we have here? I love you. One for you, one for me, together forever. I think they're bracelets. So that's kind of cute. I don't know who I will give the other one to. Who knows? Maybe I'll put this aside for a giveaway or something at some point. What else is in here? Let's see. There's some cone, incense, precious rose. Let's see. Does it smell like rose too? Well, okay, it's packaged. Let me see if I can smell through this. I wish you had smell-o-vision here. I wish that was a thing. It smells so good. Just like fresh roses, it smells so good. So that's nice, yes. Could definitely use this rose cone incense. And let's see. There is a money pouch, cinnamon money pouch. Keep me on you in your purse or anywhere you keep money to attract more money. I like money. Who doesn't like money? I definitely need to attract more money. This will be fantastic. And cinnamon, so you know that's going to smell great too. Looks like there's probably a bay leaf in there, a couple of coins, a nice black pouch. Next we have a okay. Hi, I'm a Proster-Pity bay leaf. As you can see, I have prosperity written on me. All you have to do is not eat me. You light me on fire to bring prosperity. Well, 1 out of 3 isn't bad on spelling, right? Right? Maybe it's intentional. Prosperity. Prosperity. I don't know if there's a reason here. I don't think that I understand it. I wonder how it's written on the actual leaf, but I don't think I really want to take it out just right this second and see. But we do have that, so that came, that prosperity leaf. Okay, let's see. Little candles. Ooh, they smell fantastic. It looks like some maybe flowers or herbs. Maybe some little tiny bits of crystal. Definitely some kind of spell candles. Very, very nice scent though. What's this blue paper? Let's see. Yule soup. Okay. Well, that's just kind of unexpected because Yule's in December, but it's still nice. Okay, I mean, I'll make some and eat it. It might be closer to when actual Yule is. What do we have here? Okay. Ooh, look at this big crystal on a necklace. I think this is rubellite tourmaline. I don't see anything in this box that tells us, but just kind of with the color and that sort of semi-transparency, it's kind of a really deep red, almost a purpley hue kind of to it. I don't think the camera probably does it justice. Very pretty, very nice. Then I have this, wait, okay, that was a necklace. Yes, okay, that's a necklace. And this is, I believe, a pendulum. Let's open it up and see. Yes, it is indeed. So this is great. I don't have one, but now I do. Great. You can ask yes or no questions, get an answer. That is going to be really fun to play with. Okay. Woo! Look at this. Oh, it's a little mini broom and it's so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get it out. Here it is. Oh, it's just so cute. Has this little painted crystal and this little triquetra charm on it. Oh. I really do love this. I think that this is the best thing in the box, but maybe you liked something else. What did you like out of this box? Just make sure there's nothing else in there. No, I do like this little red stuff though. That's fun. I'm gonna craft with that at some time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you'd like me to do more things like this, please let me know. I'll unbox some stuff. It's kind of like a craft haul, right? I like little witchy items, obviously, so I will be more than happy to share that with you. If you have not yet subscribed, be a treasure and hit that subscribe button below. It's free for you, and you will stay up to date on all my crafting adventures. Thanks for joining me.